Doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay. All right, let's get into it. Boom, 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 boom. Let's finish Lyra. Animate a few scenes and then Kasha, we're leaving this place like a boss. What is happening? Okay, got it. So what's the only thing missing for her are the shoulders. So let's get the shoulders in. Bass Spartan, bass Spartan, bass Spartan, Spartan, bass Spartan, bass Spartan. Waka waka, zabaraga zaga waga wigwa. That is the paprika, yeah, waka waka. This is the paprika, shoulder pads, shoulder pads, shoulder pads, shoulder pads. Let's get the shoulder pads in here. Which one do we need? We need the has up. Let's get the has up for the left shoulder. There it is. There's our has up. And click on it and click on it. You gotta get on it, copy paste. Copy paste. Ratao. And you wanna ratatiao. Shuku. And then delete this. Now you got a shoulder. Let's rename it to high. Takatukutupa. And then move it to boom. And now rename this to armature, so it looks a little cleaner. Spartan rig. Now what group should we keep in here? The BL ta. We're gonna search that up, lock it in, delete all the unnecessary vertex groups, and then work on the texture. Okay, very simple. Copy these. Let's find a helmet to use the NPR shader that I created. We're gonna call this the Hazup. Let's call it Hazup NPR. Save it and replace the textures. Boop. Paste. Now this is one of them. This is the mask. We're definitely gonna be using this one. So let's connect it here. Another mask we're gonna have to use. Let's connect it there. Remove that one. And the detail. Let's delete this. Boom. Connect the detail. And there we go. Now let's adjust the amount of detail. That's too much detail. Okay, go. That maybe. That's a fancy one. Okay, let's work on the colors. On the colors, we have this red, blue, red, green, and blue. Wait, am I offline? Am I? No, I'm not. Okay. Let's keep working. Now. I need reference pictures to know the color of my shoulder pad. It was... Okay. This part is red. Okay. This part is gray. So that's gray. That's good. Next part. Rima. Now, if we move this, no, that stays red. Let's keep it red. Now, for this part, that stays gray, silver more so. So let's bring it up. Silver like that. That's good actually. This has got to stay red. And this, what is even this part for? I actually don't know. Oh, I think I know actually. Boom, boom. Okay. It's just that the wrong connector is in, but boom. Now it should be blue exactly. But we don't want the blue. We just want gray, dark like that. That's actually pretty neat. All right, the colors are in. Let's work on this thing. Like that. And see how it looks? It looks pretty neat. All right, let's keep it like this. 2 more pieces and we are done. Donezo. SNP. So we need the SNP and the SAP base. SNP and the SAT base. So let's go on the right shoulder pads. We need the base. Yep. And the S and P. Did I miss it? I think I missed it. What the freak? What the freak? SAP SNP, right? SAP. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? SAP? Whoa. SAP? SAP slash SNP. Come on now. SAP slash SNP. There it is. Why was that hard? Why was that so hard? Copy this. Import. And then delete this. Yep, delete. Let's also import the other one and then we can close this. This way we can close it. Good. Boom, chakalaka. Import that one too. And took. And there we go. Let's call this high. Let's call this low, high, I mean. Boom, patakum. And so the base goes with the base. SNP goes with the, SNP. And then we wanna boop, 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 boop. Same thing for this one. Boop, 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 boop. Rename the armature. Ping, bang, armature. Ping, bang. And then all that's left is the shading. I kind of like this, but nope. Not for us. Too much detail. 2 different colors is too many details. So let's switch it up. Copy this. Helm. There we go. Are we good? Do this. Boom. Chaka. Careful there, Maddie. You need a duplicate. Let's call this one the SAP base. PR. Save this. Let's go. There's a beautiful mask. Connect a new mask. There is another kind of mask. Connect to the new one. And the detail. Oops. Detail just like that. Delete, save, delete this one. Now for the mask, we're gonna need red, mostly red, mostly very simple. It's very simple. Wait a second. Okay, that's gray. blue 2. Wow, okay, so we are actually not using this one, but we are using this one. So let's replace the red channel for that one. All right, let's see. Oh, is that already good? That's already good. Man, I'm quick. Man, I'm so efficient. God damn, I'm getting good at this. Holy shit. I'm getting good at this. All right, details. That's nice. Where? I feel like there's not enough wear on this one. Yep. And then boom. I like that. I like that. I like that very much. Oh yeah, that's good. Let's see. Let's see though. If we took. Yep, that's good. What if we nope. I feel like this could use some gray or silver, just like that. That's nice. All right, last one. Texture, copy, find a new one, helmet, NPR, duplicate, save. I'm gonna call this one SAP SNP, SAP SNP, tube, copy to the mask. That's our new mask. Delete this one. I'm sure we won't need that either. Oh, that's another mask. There. Delete this. Move this in. Connect this. Poof. Alright. Now let's see. Okay, bullets are the right color. This thing's the right color. Everything looks to be the right color already. Details. Ooh, lots of details. Let's see. Should we have that many details? Maybe that's actually good. And wear, we could have not too much wear. And I feel like that's good. Yeah. I mean, if we just this a little bit. Good. There is our oh, I forgot to connect this shader there. There we go. We don't need that. That looks weird. And there's our character, Lyra. Let's go. We're done. We're done. We're done with this. We're done with this. We're finally done with this. We can lock her mesh. We are not touching that again. Boom. Save. Quit. We're going to open your new. We're going to also lock his mesh. Come on, you got it. All just to lock his mesh. There we go. Capuch, capiche, and close. Good. So, animation. Let's go with animate a few shots. So, V2, mix blender sequence number dos. Dose, shot, dose. Yeah, shot dose. Alrighty, the almighty. Alright. What the fuck is this? What is this abomination? Why do I have a spider now in my scene? What is this? I do, man? What did I do to deserve this? What the fuck? What the No, seriously, what the heck? Oh my god. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Why? Why? Alright, Lyra. Oh, like, I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. First off, I forgot to test her rig out. Alright. Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. I don't see what's the issue. I see one thing here. We're just gonna modify that, but it should be fine, you know? Okay, I forgot to do the knee pads too. Or not. Wait, what? Oh, just this one. Knee pad, knee low, takut, katich, lock, delete all on groups, and then boom, armature, there we go. Now this one, armature, there we go. This one like that. Now, why? What's the issue? Like, is it the name of the rig? I think the name is fine. Everything's connected. Yeah, everything looks fine here. So if we open... Bro, what the fuck? Let's say the first shot. No. First shot. She's not in the first shot. Second shot, she is. Second shot. Everything's fine though. What? Holy shit, I swear. Revert. Recover. Resync. That's not it. Resync, no. Reset. Wait, what? But she's fine now. No. Is it a bug? If it's a bug, it's across all my projects, and that can't not be. Why is it doing that? Maybe... Oh. She's got Lyra actions. Wait, what? I'm so lost. Oh my god. Okay, I think I know what to do. Actually, I don't. Is her rig called? What's her rig called? Spartan V2.001. Oh. Is that the issue? 0.001? Revert, revert. Okay, let's see. What happens if we change the name of the rig to 0.001? Please, please, please be it. Please be it. Please be it. File, revert. Wait. No. Where's the ammunition? What the fuck? That doesn't make any sense. I didn't change the rig name at all. Ah. Hi, Babu. Fuck, man. What's happening? What is happening? Library, make, selected content. Could teach. Leroy's actions. SO2. What the hell is happening, man? What the fuck is this, man? What the fuck is this, dude? It's the same rig. What the fuck? Mamma mia! No. I didn't change shit, man. I didn't change shit. So why is he doing that? Okay. Bro, what the hell? What the fuck? I don't get it. Actually, don't get it. I'm getting hungry. Mirror block. Leader's action. Shot 2. Why is this all disconnected? Patricia is hungry. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. What's wrong with this? What? Like... Like what? Same weight paint. I just made a new flood. Oh, no, but like, I can't. It's... yeah. Need to focus. Don't understand. I don't understand. Armature. Same shit. Rear mesh, helmet. Hey, what's up, Frankie? How you doing? Thank you for the comments. You're probably not arriving at the right time because there's a really, really big problem with this. I don't know what happened to this. Like, that's not supposed to look like a spider. That's supposed to look like a normal human. And it's getting warm in here. It's getting warm. So I'm trying to troubleshoot this problem right here. Trying to understand why, just why. Why is it like that? And it's pissing me off. This is pissing me the fuck off. The same weight paint. There's no issue there. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. Boom. Anyway, Frankie, how are you doing? I hope you're doing a little better than me right now. Yeah, I guess, I don't know if that would fix it, Babu. I would try that, but as a last resort, because that's a lot of work. And for the number of shots that I have, that's not an efficient solution. Weight paint is good. Alright. And then weight paint on this is good. So it's not the weight paint. Oh boy. Okay. Wait, what? Yeah, it's in all the shots, of course. It's linked, so it's in all the shots. Yeah. Anyway, how's your day going? Let's see. If I hide. So is it just a problem with the high poly? Let's see how the low poly. Low poly is fine. So what's the issue with the high poly? The high poly is exactly the same. So it's not the rig. It's the mesh. But what's the issue with the mesh? Okay, we isolated the problem. Okay, what's the problem with the mesh? What's the issue? What's the issue? It's the same fucking object. Spend some time with Yamina in Montreal. Where'd you guys go? Also, Frankie, how you doing? I don't want to leave you out. Oh my god, I have no idea what could cause this difference between the meshes. Because if I... Oh, Yonu was fine. Why does Yonu not have that problem? Main characters, Yonu. Let's compare with Yonu. Oh, whoa! What happened to my... What the hell? You guys can't see me anymore. Oh my gosh. Okay, my bad. So Yonu, your helmet. How's your helmet looking? Right, how's your helmet looking? Right, they're both the same armature. Both what? In this strand, nice. It's a nice chilling place. Okay, I need to open both at the same time. Let's see. Hello. Bro, what? What? It's about the same thing, man. It's about the same thing, man. I might have to do a Google search to understand why this is crazy like that. Like, is it in a fucking edit? My vertices are fine. Weight paint looks fine. Let's just make sure it is. Weight. Set the weight. Revert. Oh boy. Is it? Wait a second. Let's see. Item. Scale. No, they're both the same scale. They're both the same goddamn position. What was with the other one? Yonu. Both different dimensions. Oh no. High. Low. High. Low. What? What? I don't get it. Origin point. Let's see origin point. Bolt at this bottom. Bolt at the bottom. Bolt at the bottom. Time to ask Claude. No, Claude or GPT, they don't know. They wouldn't know why. I mean, I'll still try, but I'm sure they wouldn't know, like, what, like, they won't know what to say. Hey, Claude. I changed. I don't even know what to say to him. My character's mesh. But when I go back into my main Blender project in which my character is linked, all his meshes are weird now. even if the new mesh has the is linked to the same rig, has the same weight, paint, and vertex groups. Why? Let's also look Google Blender linked characters mesh broken. Or I'm gonna have to go and talk to someone in a Discord server and it's getting problem with linking a mesh Blender artist community. Few likely culture in order to transforms not applied on the new mesh, most common cause. It is applied. Object origin moved, it's not. Vertex order count mismatch. Difference order shift at all. The same with the modifier stack. Kind of localized weirdness. Okay, that I don't understand what that is. Fire set a missing duplicate armature modifier on the new mesh, wrong object set in the modifier object. The main project has a library override on that object with local modifiers tweaks. Oh, We actually added a mesh and check if the deformation looks correct there outside of the link. I don't know where to start. If the main project has a library override on that object with the local modifiers tweaks. No. The pose is fine. I don't know, man. Let's see. Let's go back here. Enable both. Okay. Save this. And then go back here. Revert. Okay. Let's compare here. This helmet. Palm. 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 Okay, let's ask him to check this then. Okay. Hey. Could you check my main Blender file? I've enabled both helmet mesh of my Lyra character so that you can see the difference. The low poly model is well attached to the rig, but the high poly model looks out of place. Let's see. Let's see. I don't see a file attached. The uploads folder is empty. What are you talking about? Could you upload the blend file once it's here? I can open it with the Blender tool. Bro, you can look at my Blender project. Just look. You are connected to my Blender. Just take a look. I swear they dumbed it down. They dumb Claude down, man. I swear. Allow. It's not a skill issue. No, look at the other opened Blender project. The scale is the same for both helmet mesh, but they don't react the same. God damn, I swear to God, man. Oh no, he's gonna look at my Yonu character now. Let's close that one before you. The real difference is parenting. High poly parent. What do you mean parenting? Okay, the mod. Wait, what? The rig. Okay, so it deforms with the bones, but it is not parented to that rig object. Oh, wait, would that make a difference? What? Let me confirm what the rig owner own transform is, since that's what matrices are actually identical. Parenting isn't the cause here. See, since the rig sits at identity. Let me look at the actual weighting setup, which is more likely giving only one vertex group showed up. So the raw geometry position data is fine, weights are fine, transforms are fine. Let me actually look close at the head to see what's out of place. It looks like since the numbers are all checked out. Where's the message I sent? The message I sent isn't even there. It's gone. What the f... There it is. Why is it there? Okay. You're still looking at the other file. God damn it. Oh my god, we're not animating today. Just troubleshooting this bullshit. But I might have to try what you said, Babu. Import a new rig and then copy the actions to that new rig. Could actually try that. Just tedious. I'll just let him finish this and then we'll see. Let's try. We'll try. Hopefully it works. Frankie, you still here? Frankie, my man, Frankie. Bear with me, man. We're gonna go through this. We're gonna get through it. Bear with me. Why is it taking so long? Okay. I don't think he's actually touching this file, so we could... I don't want to fuck anything else. Debugging viewport discrepancy, theorize pose related transform. Okay, I don't think he understands. Link. Assets, main characters, Lyra, collection, Lyra. Okay. Let's hide her. Let's override this. Selected in content. Let's hide Yonu. Now for the truth. Man, it's gonna create a big problem for all the shots. The fact that if I have to re-import everything, because there's other objects depending on her. It's gonna cause a lot of problem, even if this works. Okay. What do I do now? Oh yeah. Your actions. Nope. It doesn't work. The fuck is this? Lyra actions. Lyra. Why is it not even the same? What? I don't get it. What the fuck, man? What do you have to say? I dug into the actual data right now in your file. High poly and low poly meshes and are really identical in every way that matters. Same armature modifier post visually in a viewport. The high poly helmet is sitting correctly on the head too. I can't reproduce out of place. It's currently on screen. A couple of things this points to. It may already be fixed. If you made a change since noticing the problem, relink or reapply the modifier, reset the library itself, and you're now looking at a good state without realizing it. What are you talking about? It might not be this object. Shut up. It might only show up at a specific pose frame. No. I'm gonna close the other project because he doesn't know what to do, which one to look at. He's just that stupid. You will see this. No, look at this project now. You will see the issue. Okay, that's all I'm saying. What do you mean? Allow, yes, allow. Ah! Okay, there you go. He sees the right project. Only in the link file, and only after closing and reopening. However, no warnings are broken. I am Blender window. Any idea what's missing be causing this? I'm doing some debugging, and I found that if you do resync or resync and force from the library override option, the problem is fixed, but only until I close and reopen the file again. See, I did that. It didn't work. Also, if I render an animation from the bone problem, like one of the bones that shouldn't be posed is posed. That should be constrained isn't getting constrained. Unexpected. I found out there are other places I can look at. At first I thought it was just kidding because one was still there. However, looking at the hidden layers, there's two bones that why that, but it's already a step forward. Okay, I'm gonna have to like send my files to someone. Okay, let me probably with the link out. Let me look at it. This is exactly it. Let me confirm which armature each helmet modifier is actually pointing to. There are multiple objects sharing the same name but different libraries. Here's exactly what happened. In this main file, Lero's rig is rotated in 180 and moved to in the scene. hair so low is parent to the rig, so it enters that rotation position correctly. Its world matrix has no parent at all. Parent null. Its armature modifier is still correctly deformed. It's relative to the bones, but because nothing parents the objects itself to the rig, its base transform stays stuck at the world origin with no rotation, completely ignoring what the character actually is and which way it's facing. So the armature modifier is bending the mesh correctly around the bones, but the whole mesh is doing that at the wrong place in the world, rotated in 180 degrees off from where the rest. Okay. In your isolate test file, this didn't show up because the rig there happened to sit exactly at the world origin with no rotation. Okay. Parented or not, the math came out the same in the main file. Position and rotation are no longer trivial, so the missing parent finally shows. The fix: select helmet high, then shift select the rig last, and parent it. Okay, let's try that. I'm be very surprised this worked because I didn't have to do that with Yonu. But fuck. We'll see. Babu, I hope this works. I'm gonna cry. Alright. Hi. Tell me the rig to parent this like this. Set parent to object. Okay. Now let's see. I want to see the. Oh, maybe I can see the parents. Wait, how do we see? 3D cursor, light, motion, origin, no. Bones, relationship lines. Okay, we are already supposed to see them, but anyway. Save. Let's see the truth. Revert. Wait, oh my gosh. Babu. Holy fuck, holy shit. Claude! You're a genius! You're a genius, Claude! I love you, Claude! I love you, Claude! No way, that's actually, no way. No fucking way. That's all I had to do. No way. I feel happy and stupid at the same time, and I don't care. Okay? I like that it's working. I love it. Babu, I hope you didn't leave after my miserable pissed off moment. Oh, Babu, also, I played Rainbow Six with Alexandrion. So, we should totally play with him. I forgot a whole piece on his chest. God damn it. That I have to do. I forgot a whole ass piece on the character. That will do. That we will do. But first, let's fix this bullshit. Control P, set parent to. I actually think that's gonna work. Revert. Oh my god! Yeah, boy! Yes! Yes. Oh my gosh. This looks good. I'm just glad we didn't make any progress, but I'm glad it's working fine. I'm just glad it's working fine, okay? God damn, this gonna look fucking good. Thanks, Babu. Actually, that's because of you. You suggested me, Dr. Claude. And it actually worked. It's fucking crazy, man. Fuck you, Claude. Fuck you. God damn it. Alright, let's add our chess piece. We'll be back to this very soon. Let's add the last piece I forgot to add. Okay, but I'm leaving in... Okay, 30 minutes. Alright. So... she's missing one piece. And that's the chest piece. Torso attachment, torso T. It's called that thing. Holy shit. Tvastar diagnostic rig. Torso. Oh, there it is. It's this one. Copy. Close this. Don't save. Now. Okay. Paste. Delete. Hi. Oops. Hi. Boom. Now, parent. Let's not forget a parent. I don't know why I didn't have to do that with Yonu. That's weird. It's parented now. Good. Then torso. Let's copy this. Move it there. Lock. Delete. Armature. Armature. Object. Spartan. And then let's shade. Shade. Let's copy these textures. Helmet. There. Dude. Chest. Let's call it chest. Chest. Wait, what? Anyway. Boom. Patoop. Will we need this? Are we gonna need this? Are we gonna need that? We don't. I don't think so. Okay, that's a lot of masks. Or not actually. Whoa. Mask there. Mask there. Delete this. Details. Oh, there we go. Like that. That's good. The masks. Now, there should be red. Much red. It's mainly gray. So let's see. We got gray. Copy that, paste it here too. And then maybe let's see, what does that? That's the shrubs. That was actually pretty good. That's the piece here. Let's have it more like silver. Actually, let's have the exact same color. Good. Then we have this part, which I have no idea what it does. Oh, we don't want that. We do not want that. Do not want that at all. So instead, whoa. Connect that. Delete. Nope. Blue. We actually do not want what? Shove. Okay, Babu. Thank you. Uh, Claude found the issue, and it fixed my problem. Yeah. She's normal now. I was very excited. So you missed me being really excited, and I thank you for suggesting me to ask Claude. He actually found the issue, and I thank Claude too. I said sorry, Claude. But yeah, it's fixed. I just had to, for some reason, I had to select all the meshes and parent it to the rig. Control P, like Control P and parent it. I didn't have to do that with Yonu, or at least I don't remember having to do that, so that's weird. I have to do that with this one. But it's working now. Okay, let's forget about it now. I'm just happy. We didn't make any progress much, but hey, at least I'm glad it's fixed. Okay, and I forgot a chest piece for Lyra, so I'm just adding this one up, texturing it, and then I should be done with her. And I forgot where I was now. You distracted me. Oh no, actually, gray, and then this was a darker, no color, like that. And then, what do we have here? Maybe, no. Oh, I should use maybe I should use this one for the wear and tear. Just like that. See how it looks? She looks beautiful. Doesn't she? Wait a second. Maybe I should use this one. Yeah, I should use that one. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Phew! Okay, I'm gonna lock you up again. There we go. I am not touching you anymore. That's it. That should be it. Let's make sure he's locked in. And then I'm about to go. I didn't have time to animate. That's okay. That's okay. I'm actually damn. You came up to the right time, Babu. You saved my ass. You saved my ass right there. Revert. Here's a new piece, chest piece. There we go. See, that's why we link stuff, you know, because then this chest piece is applied to all of our armors in all 160 shots, instead of having to like add the chest piece to every fucking shot, you know. That's why we do it this way. So if I need to do a change, I do a change to only one file, and then because it's linked to all the other files, it's gonna change it across the board. But yeah, I streamed this morning, Babu. This Babu was like a lot of people. There was like 3 new people I didn't know, and then 4 maybe. So it's picking up. We're gonna have more people in the chat. But so far, Babu, thank you so much for. Merci beaucoup pour show up dans mes streams. Tu sais, ça me garde entertained, ça me garde connecté. Puis tu me supportes aussi avec les numbers. Surtout pour mon petit début de channel. Mais en vrai, ça marche. Genre, je partage des clips sur Instagram, ça pop. Sur YouTube, genre, le clip que j'ai posté hier, ça m'a donné 4 subscribers, genre, comme ça pogne. Puis, ouais, puis quand t'es là, ben, quand il y a des gens qui me watch, ben, ça invite d'autres gens à me watch, donc. Écoute. Peut-être que je vais pouvoir continuer à faire ça. Puis ça me donne plus de motivation à continuer. Alors, j'apprécie beaucoup. On jouera demain, parce que là, il faut que j'y aille. Ah non. Ben, je me suis levé justement pour stream. Like, sinon, je m'aurais pas levé aussitôt. Parce que j'avais aussi un rendez-vous à 11h30. Donc, si je voulais stream au moins 2 heures, 2-3 heures, genre, fallait que je me lève assez tôt. Mais ouais, j'ai pas beaucoup dormi. J'ai pas beaucoup dormi. Aussi, il faut que je change, j'ajuste mon horaire parce que je commence l'école la semaine prochaine. It needs to be finished in 2 months. Yeah. Ouais, je commence l'école la semaine prochaine, donc je vais devoir stream comme tôt les matins parce que mes cours ils commencent à 11. Heureusement, mes cours commencent seulement à 11, genre. Donc peut-être que je pourrais stream de 7 à 10, tu sais. Je pourrais travailler sur mes affaires, mais ça veut dire qu'il faut que je me couche tôt. Yeah. Yeah. Donc je vais gamer les fins de semaine, probablement. Ça va être 3-4 mois difficiles avec l'école, ou 2 mois. En fait, parce que j'aurais pu le film après 2 mois. Donc ça va être 2 mois difficiles. Mais après ça, on est chill, man. On est chill. Alright, donc c'est ça. Prends soin de toi. On se reparle bientôt. Have a good night. Yeah, in class too. But I can't stream in class though. Anyway.